welcome to week 8, day 5. Okay, so this week we did a lot of work with counting to 100. We started the week counting by ones, counted from ones to 100. And yesterday, day 4, we counted forward by tens. So we're going to continue that learning with today's activity. Our learning goal for today is I can count forward by 10 starting at 0 to determine the total number of objects to 100. So that means we're going to be working with objects. We're going to have to count the total number, and we're counting by tens. So remember, what is another way to say we're counting by tens? Right, we're skip counting because we're skipping all those numbers from 0 to 10. So we're just starting right at 10, like on our hundreds chart. So instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, we're just counting our groups of 10. So let's practice skip counting starting with 0. So remember, 0 is empty. Our space is empty or clear because that's 0. And let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Some materials that you're going to need for today's activity. You're going to need paper, and on your paper you're going to write your numbers from 10 to 100. Okay? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then you're going to cut them out and put them into your bag so you have numbers to draw out for your activity today. Okay? And you're also going to need 10 groups of 10 objects. So in each group, there should be 10 objects because we're skip counting by 10. So 10 crayons. So I have crayons, rocks, acorns, silver coins. I have nickels and dimes that I found in my silver pile. My fruit snacks, stickers, pennies, beads, pasta, and my cubes. Okay, so I have 10. So that way when I skip count by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, I have all the items that I need for today. Alrighty, let's get started. I have the number 20. So we're counting by tens, starting from 0. So that means you have a clean area to work with. This is empty. 0 to 20. So I'm going to need 10 and 20. So in the number 20, I have 2 groups of 10. 10, 20. Okay. You can put it back in the bag or put it off to the side. So I'm going to clear my space so that way I have my empty area for 0. So I can start on the next number. Ooh. This number is 100. That's the number we've been working on this week. Woohoo! Let's see. All right, let's count by tens. My 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. 60, 70. Let's see, make sure I get all my rocks. 80. 90. 100. I used all of my groups to make the number 100. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So there are 10 groups of 10 in the number 100. We're counting by tens. So it makes it easier. Can you imagine counting all of these one by one to get to 100? It would take a long time. That's why I love to skip count. Alrighty, so you can either put the 100 back or put it off to the side. I'm going to move the spaces back up so that way I have a clean space to get started on the next number. Oops, I have some joining other groups. Then it would make it not 10. Okay, let's try another number. I have the number 60. So I'm going to use 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, so I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. How many piles of 10 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. It matches our first number. We have 6 groups of 10. All right. So remember, your empty space is the number 0. And we now have 50. Okay, so let's skip count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So let's double check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So how many groups of 10 should we have in our numbers, in our objects? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It matches the 5 that begins with 50. 5 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so today you guys are going to use your numbers and your objects to practice showing the total number while skip counting by tens. Okay, so let's remember how we skip count by tens, starting with 0, which is our empty space. That's 0. Okay, now let's skip count by tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I hope you had fun with today's math activity. I can't wait to see what your math thinking looks like. Don't forget to share by taking a picture of the work that you did in today's activity. Okay? Remember, our learning goal for today was I can count forward by tens, starting at the number 0 to determine the total number of objects to 100. I think we did that. We even counted by tens to 100 using our objects that we chose. Remember, you do not have to use the same objects that I used in today's video. You can find 10 groups of 10 different objects that you find at home. So happy searching for your 10 groups of objects. I want you to have fun, stay safe. See you later.